Gianduja best. We make together Gianduja best, and you can do it just plain, or you can fill chocolate truffle, or you can cover it with the chocolate milk, or you make it spread. All in this video in 2 minutes. If this first time to watch me, my name is Ahmad Younis. I'm expert in chocolate and sugar, and this video will show you how to make exactly Gianduja with amazing taste. In beginning, we start 175 gram hazelnut, raw hazelnut. Then we roast it. I roast hazelnut 170 degree for 12 minutes. 12-15 minutes, it's depending about your oven. Then I bring it to cloth or any towel you have. Then I shake it as torque until remove all husk. The light shell of hazelnut is not digested and not taste good. Then I will take all. The recipe is so easy. 175 hazelnut, 140 gram sugar, 70 gram milk chocolate, 20 gram cocoa butter. So easy. Just make hazelnut praline soft, and then we added the other ingredients. You must have RoboCup or kitchen process very fast, so it helps you. That's so easy. Then I added sugar. I mix again. Then I added cocoa butter, melted cocoa butter, 20 gram. And later on 70 gram dark chocolate, milk chocolate. And I melted in microwave. Then I mix it for last minute. Gianduja now should be amazing soft. Then you can put in container in room temperature for 1 day. It will set. You want it to set faster, you can add it 20 more gram of cacao butter or cocoa butter, whatever you name it. Here, just to be sure, just a pinch of lecithin powder. You can add it or not, it will be amazing Gianduja. Just pinch half gram of lecithin powder, mix it again for 2-3 minutes. You can add it if you want pinch of vanilla, but I prefer the hazelnut taste to be strong. Now you can pour into container, mold, you can fill it, you make it with the mousse or chocolate, or you cover it. It's up to you. I wish you enjoy my YouTube channel. Please have a look. There is over than 50 video making chocolate, tempering chocolate, ornament. All the best, Ahmad Younis. Thanks again.